In early 2026, the FDA escalated a Medline recall of reprocessed catheters to its most serious recall type. The cited hazard was residual particulate. The contamination source was still being characterized after the recall. Residual particulate is not an exotic failure mode. It is one of the recognized hazards that reprocessing validation exists to rule out. When validation is treated as a document to complete, the particulate ships with the device. This is the proof set we bring to that work. FDA registered, ISO 13485 certified, 12 clean rooms, 125,000 square feet, 3 facilities. The FDA has already flagged why checkbox validation fails. Manufacturer studies have used inadequate test conditions, inappropriate measurement methods, and soils that do not represent the real clinical challenge. 3 decisions separate a defensible validation from a paperwork exercise. Pick a soil that matches the worst-case clinical challenge. Challenge the hardest-to-clean features at worst-case soiling, and prove your recovery method actually detects what remains. The peer-reviewed evidence is stark. A blinded study found significant residual organic material on 81 of 84 industry reprocessed vessel sealing devices versus 0 of 84 new devices. A reusable or loaner program multiplies the stakes. The same physical device cycles through use, soiling, and reprocessing many times. A process that passes at cycle 1 can fail by cycle 50. The FDA's position is explicit. A reprocessor must demonstrate through validation data that the device remains as safe and effective as the predicate after the maximum intended number of cycles. That is a cumulative bar, not a single cycle bar. And you cannot wait for the FDA to catch it. A December 2025 GAO report found the FDA lacks sufficient staff for device recall activities. Post-market detection is a thin safety net. Reprocessing validation is a question, not a checkbox. Prove the cleaning process removes a worst-case soil from the hardest-to-clean features, measured by a validated recovery method, after the maximum labeled cycle count. If your reusable or loaner device program needs validation built around device-specific worst-case logic, our team will review your protocol.